Hi, I'm Hani Jaroli and I've been a customer of Orchis since last 10 years. I've got a couple of cars done up from this place and these guys are amazing. Their work is fabulous. Today I got my Fortuner 2015 for seat covers, roof liner and steering wrap. So they have done a great job as you can see in the pictures they post. Thank you.
Everybody feel it, come around with the rhythm, this is sound. Everybody get down when we give it to you. Everybody feel it, come around with the rhythm, this is sound. Everybody get down when we give it to you.